Good morning, students. Today we are going to see that in term 2, chapter 4, geometry. In the geometry, you studied the shapes and area, perimeter, everything. So, here we are going to see the new concept, angle sum property of triangles. Okay, in geometry, in this exercise, we are going to see the two concepts. Okay, first one is angle sum property of triangle. So what is angle sum property of triangle? The sum of all three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay, angle sum property is the sum of all three angles. In a triangle, you know we have three angles. Okay, the sum of all the three angles is 180 degree. Okay, sum of all three angles is a triangle. In a triangle is 180 degree. If it is 180 degree, if we have to sum this three angle is 180 degree only, we can draw the triangle. Otherwise, it is not 180 degree, we can't make a triangle. See, for example, here 60 plus 50 plus 70. So, 60 plus 50, 110. 110 plus 70, 180. So, the sum of all three angles in a triangle is 180 degree. It should 180 degree. See, for example, they given three angles 80, 70, 50. So from these three angles, we can draw the triangle or not. Okay, we can make a triangle or not. See, how we can find? We have to add 80 plus 70, 150, 150 plus 50, 200. So it is not equal to 180. What is the property? Yes. Angle sum property is sum of all three angles is in a triangle is 180 degree. But here it is comes 200 degree. So it is greater than 180. So the given angles cannot form a triangle. The given angles cannot form a triangle. See next example. 56 degree, 64 degree, 60 degree. So you have to add 56 plus 64 is 120. 120 plus 60, 180. So it is equal to 180. So sum of all the angles, all the three angles in a triangle is 180 means. So the given angles can form a triangle. It is not 180. It's maybe less than 180 or greater than 180. We cannot form a triangle. If it is equal to 180 only, we can form a triangle. Okay. So first property is sum of all three angles in a triangle is 180 degree. That is angle sum property of triangle. Second concept is exterior angles properties of triangle. Okay, this three angles comes inside. So this angles is called interior angles. Because it is comes inside the triangle, so it is called interior. Here now we are going to see the exterior angles property. What is exterior angle? So we can draw the triangle any one side. We have to extend any one side. It's make one angle. If I extend BC, extend to D, here we can form one angle. This angle is called exterior angle. This angle is called exterior angle. It maybe comes this side also. If we can extend BA we have to extend this side. It's make another one triangle. So anyway we have to extend the line. It's make the one angle. This angle is called exterior angle. So what are the properties? First one is an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. So what is exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles. So exterior angle is comes this side. So this opposite, what are the angles? Two angles is there. So this angle is equal to sum of this interior opposite angles. its opposite two angles. This interior angle sum is equal to exterior angle. Okay, exterior angle is equal to interior opposite angle. Sum of its interior opposite angles. Second one is the sum of exterior angle of a triangle is 360. So we have to extend this side and like this side, like this side. The three exterior angles sum should be 360 degree. So we know the sum of the interior angle is 180 degree. The same sum of the exterior angle, if maybe extend the three sides, the sum of the three exterior angle should be 360 degree. Okay, so we see the two concept, angle sum property and exterior angle. So now we are going to see the exercise. So exercise 4.1, first question. Can 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree be the angles of a triangle? Can 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree be the angles of a triangle? So we know that angles of a triangle, how we can find? Yes, we know the property, the sum of all the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So 30 plus 60 plus 90. 90 plus 90, 180. So the given angles can form a triangle because their sum is 180. So the given angles can form a triangle. Next, can you draw a triangle with 25 degree, 65 degree and 80 degree as angles? Can you draw a triangle with 25 degree, 65 degree and 80 degree as angles? So you have to sum these three angles. 25 plus 65 is 90. 90 plus 80, 170. So it is not equal to 180. It is not equal to 180. So the given angles cannot form a triangle. The given angles cannot form a triangle. Third question. In each of the following triangles, find the value of x. So here they given so many angles that we have to find value x. See the first question. They given the triangle. Triangle they given 80 degree, 55 degree. We have to find the value of x. So how we can find? We know that angle sum property. What property is angle sum property? What is angle sum property? Sum of the angles of triangle is 180 degree. So sum of the angles of the triangle 80 plus 55 plus x is equal to 180. 80 plus 55 plus x is equal to 180. So 80 plus 55 is 135. 135 plus x is equal to 180. X 135 comes this side, it become minus. So we subtract means our answer is 45 degree. So x is equal to 45 degree. Next question number 5. Two sides are, they given the triangle RST. The two sides are equal. The two sides are equal. Next they given 72 degree 3x. You know that two sides are equal. It is called isosceles triangle. Two sides are equal. It is called isosceles triangle. If two sides are equal, the two angles also equal. We know that this angle, this side and this side is equal, means this angle and this angle is equal. So this is 3x means this also 3x. If this is 3x, this also 3x. So 3x, we know that angle sum property is sum of the angles of a triangle is 180. So 3x plus 3x plus 72 is equal to 180. So 72 plus 6x is equal to 103 plus 3, 6x is equal to 180. 6x is equal to 180 minus 72 is 108. X is equal to its multiple comes this side, division. So 1 6 are 6, remainder 4, 8 6 are 48. So x is equal to 80 degree. X is equal to 80 degree. Next, triangle is given. They given 2x, 3x, 4x. So we have to find the value of x. So we know that angle sum property, sum of the angles of a triangle is 180. So 2x plus 3x plus 4x is equal to 180. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 4, 9. So 9x is equal to 180. So x is equal to 180 divided by 9. 1 9 is 9, 2 9s are 18, it is 20 degree. Next question number 7. So they given, this is x minus 4 degree, 3x minus 2. Here they given like this. You know that they given like this means what is it angle? Yes, this is 90 degree. This angle measures, now because it is the right angle triangle only, they given the symbol like this. So this is 90 degree. So x minus 4, 3x minus 2 plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. First angle, second angle, third angle is equal to 180. So x plus 3x minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6 plus 90 degree is equal to 180. 3x plus x, 4x. 90 minus 6, 84 is equal to 180. 4x equal to 180 minus 84, it is 96. So x is equal to 96 by 4, it is 24. So x is equal to 24 degree. Next, question number 8. So they given 3 angles, x plus 31, 2x minus 3, 3x minus 10. So sum of the angles of a triangle is 180. So x plus 31, 3x minus 10, 2x minus 3 is equal to 180. So first we bring x, 3x, 2x. Next 31 minus 10 minus 3 is equal to 180. So x plus 3x, 4x. 4x plus 2, 6x. Next 31 minus 10 minus 3 is minus 13. Same symbol we add, is equal to 180. So 31 minus 13 is 18. So 6x plus 18 is equal to 180. 6x equal to 180 minus 18. 6x equal to 162. X is equal to, we divide means 2 6 are 12, remainder 4, 7 6 are 42. That is x is equal to 27. Next question number 11. In a right angle triangle MNO, angle N is 90 degree, MO is extended to P. MO is extended to P. If NOP is 180 degree, find the other two angles of MNO. Find the other two angles of MNO. So, what is given in a right angle triangle MNO? So, we draw the right angle triangle MNO. Angle N is 90 degree. MO is extended. We extended the MO. MO we extended at to P. To P. If NOP is 128. NOP is 128 degree. Find the other two angles. Find the other two angles. So, this angle I take as X. This angle I take as Y. So, first, we know that second property we studied, second concept is what? Exterior angle, which when angle comes outside of the triangle, that angle is called exterior angle. So exterior angle is equal to sum of the interior opposite angle. Exterior angle is equal to sum of the interior opposite angles. So x 128 degree is equal to MNO plus NMO. NMO. So 128 plus 90 plus x. So we have to find x. 120 plus 90 comes this side, minus 90. So x is equal to 38. 128 minus 90 is 38. So we find the first one angle is 38. If we know these two angles, we can find easily, because sum of the angles of a triangle is 180. So 90 plus 38 plus y is equal to 180. 90 plus 38, 128 plus y is equal to 180. Y is equal to 180 minus 128. So y is equal to 52. Next question number 12. Find the value of x in each of the following given triangles. So we have to find the value of x. So we have to find the value of x. This angle we want to find. This is the exterior angle. So this exterior angle is equal to sum of the interior opposite angles. So this angle is equal to this and this. So we want to know this. How do you find this? Yes, we know the straight angle. The straight angle is 180. Last term we studied 135 plus straight angle 135 plus y is equal to 180. So linear pair, we study the linear pair, no, length. So 135 plus y is equal to 180. So y is equal to 180 minus 135, that is 45. So y is equal to 45. So this angle we find, it means we know that exterior angle is equal to sum of the interior opposite angles. So this is 45, this is 65. So x is equal to 45 plus 65. So x is equal to 110. X is equal to 110 degree. Okay, next question number 2. So they given this and this. So we have to find the value of x. We know that exterior angle is equal to interior opposite angles. So this opposite is this and this. This is already given. How you can find this? Yes, we know that vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. So this angle is equal to this. So here 8x plus 7. Here also 8x plus 7. Here also 8x plus 7. So 3x minus 8. 8x plus 7 plus 3x minus 8 is equal to 120 degree. So 8x plus 3x, 11x. 7 minus 8 minus 1 is equal to 120. So 11x equal to 120, minus comes this side, plus. So 11x equal to 121. X is equal to 121 by 11. X is equal to 11. So this is in exterior angle is equal to interior opposite angle. So my dear children, so we studied today two concepts, that is angle sum property and exterior angles. So what are the sums I did? You work out this is enough. Remaining sums, it's no need. You leave it. This you have to work out and you have to learn this concept thoroughly. Work out the example sums also. Thank you students. Have a nice day.